Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a 71-in-1 precision electric screwdriver cordless set. Now I've seen similar sets to this, or similar screwdrivers to this, being used online with other people. They're supposed to be pencil sized, or near enough, a lot smaller than the chunky units I've been using in the past. I saw this one advertised on AliExpress, and it was around $64 Australian, 64 Australian dollars that is, on a special on AliExpress. So I thought I'll grab it and see what it looks like. So it's actually got quite a bit of weight to it, the box. If I grab my scales, there's 903 grams here, so it's quite a weighty package. Most of the electric screwdrivers I've used in the past have not, or the box hasn't been that heavy, and they've been chunky. So let's open this up and have a look and see what we get. Alright, so in the top here we've got USB-A to US type C. It's just the charge cable. On the other side we have a plastic bag with an SD clip set up. A strap, banana plug and an alligator clip. Alright, let's have a look at this piece. This is wrapped in plastic. Alright, so this is a what looks like a magnetic pad. It's not though. Oh yes, it is. Magnetic on this side, not on the other side. I just dropped the screw I tested with. Yeah, definitely not magnetic on that side, but it is magnetic on the other side. And it's wrapped in plastic as well. I'm not sure what happened there. My video stopped recording. You can see there's markings on here too. If I do a quick comparison. It's not too bad, seems to be fairly accurate. So it's got measurement markings in centimeters up the top, and we've got inches on the other side. We've got angles here as well. 75, 60, 45, 30, 15 and 0. And lots of little squares. Good for putting components down. Okay, we have a set of instructions, and it looks like it's in multiple languages. So it looks like 6 languages in total on here. English is on one side here in the middle. Each language section has 1 and 2. So alright, so we've got well, let's open it up and we can go through it all. where all the weight's coming from is here. There is a little bit of weight in the magnet, but most of it's coming from here. It's held closed with magnetic clips. This box is empty, so I'll just move it out of the way. Right, so in the middle here, or under here, we've got a foam pad to hold everything in place. We've got a heap of very small screwdriver bits, some small sockets. I'm not sure what that one is. Well, I've never actually seen a bit like that before. It's like a Phillips screwdriver, but reversed. So instead of a point down, the point comes out. I've never actually seen that screw before. A small magnifying glass, some tamper-proof screws, driver bits, a tri-wing 2-pin point. I've seen a heap of those ones. What looks like tamper-proof, very small size. This device, if I can get it out, is just a suction cup, so you can push it onto like a flat glass surface to lift out, and it clips in underneath. In the top section here, boot blades. Well, there's a few of them in there. A prying knife. It looks fairly sharp on the tip too. ESD tweezers. I've actually got a set of tweezers similar to these. They're very good. Very easy to damage too. Pry bar. And we've got a heap of plastic crowbar type tools and more pry bars. This one's got a hook on it, a little catch on that end. Very interesting. Now in here we have our screwdriver. Now interestingly enough, it only comes out one way. It's held in properly down this end by sliding in, and yeah, it's actually not bad. All right, let's have a look at the tool itself. On the end here, we have USB socket for charging. Tool end. Oh, we got a light that comes off it too. Screwdriver, battery charge. I don't know what the E stands for yet. So we've got a board. Let me get a screwdriver out so we can see it turning. That's a flat blade, so it should be easy to see. Forward and reverse. Oh, look at that. Animation showing the screw moving. Now it says press or switch gears for this button. It's going faster. Okay, so it's actually a number 1 here when you look at it that way. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to 1. So 1's our slower speed, 5 is obviously our faster speed. Moves quite quickly. Out of the box it was set at 3. 2's still quite fast. Aluminium handle. Looks like you can apply a lot of torque to that just by twisting. Alright, it does tell us the speeds on it. They call it gears. First gear has a 65 dB sound. Fifth gear is 80 dB sound. First gear is 60 revolutions a minute, and fifth gear is 180 gears a minute. And the torque, 0.08 to 0.12 Newton meters in first gear, and in fifth gear about 0.48 to 0.52 Newton meters, which is more than enough for precision screws. Okay, so runtime on this thing's between 120 to 230 minutes depending on which speed you're using. Standby says it'll hold a charge for 90 days. That just turned itself off. Charge time about 60 minutes, which I've still got to do. I've only just pulled it out of the pack. And manual torque, 3.5 Newton meters. So that'll be where it starts slipping. And again, that's a lot for a precision screw. It has got charging protection in this. My camera stopped again on my computer. I think I've got an issue with my computer. Alright, so yeah, very interesting little toy. And I look forward to trying this out on projects, see how well it really works. If you like this video, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get notifications when I do release more videos. It's also a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have Patreon and YouTube membership, and you can join my VIP patrons Go Lucky and Jeff Jerd, my builder patrons Elmerals 45, Andrew Cardone, Airgar 69 and Chris Smith, and my YouTube members Joel Huxwell and Chris Smith. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or drop into my Discord. There is a link in the description, and ask your question in there and I'll do my best to answer it. If I can't, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you on the next video.